What's good, you guys? I feel like I need a cup of coffee before we go ahead and shoot the rest of this video. Quick little life update. The air conditioning in my condo is out, so I've been crashing the night at my sister's spot, and it's just been real tough. It's 85 degrees in the condo, so let's go ahead, make some coffee. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't know, I think it's the oat milk. I feel like my oat milk might be expired. Didn't taste that great. Now that your boy got some coffee in his system, he does feel a lot better now. Unfortunately, I don't know if I told you guys this already, but the condo air conditioning unit is currently out and it's 85 degrees in this house. I'm gonna go ahead and film a couple of things, get out of here, take a couple photos for FlvkesCloset, but it is super hot right now. I'm low-key sweating under this t-shirt. Rocket is under air conditioning, so don't worry about him, guys. Hopefully it does get fixed pretty soon because I am tired of filming in the heat. You guys can tell by the title, I am doing my best to go ahead and clean out my closet. I feel like in order to like mentally declutter, I have to physically declutter. So I'm gonna go ahead and sell a couple of items. Make sure to go ahead and follow FlvkesCloset on Instagram if you guys want the first details of the drop and everything like that. I kind of just do it randomly. There's no specific day, but Stussy Hawaii hoodie is going up for sale. A lot of you guys did ask about this. Unfortunately, I just don't feel like I will really wear this next spring summer, so I'm gonna go ahead, get rid of it, sadly. If you guys are interested, it'll be up on the website. I do have a pair of Dickie pants here in a nice navy colorway, a 12-13 hoodie, kind of a little throwback. It does say cold-blooded on the side as well, on the back. So yeah, cold-blooded, nice little font. This will be going up as well. I do have some waxed Richie Lee pants that I will be throwing up for sale as well. I do my best with pricing, so if you guys do try to haggle me, please keep in mind that like I probably throw the best prices out there just because I'm trying to give back to you guys. So if you're interested in anything you see, there will be more up on there, so make sure to go ahead and check. Oh, so I also do have, shout out to Vintage by Ritz. If you guys are interested in following him, he does throw up a lot of great vintage pieces, and I was able to go ahead and scoop up this t-shirt. First time I ever saw this t-shirt, I believe A$AP Rocky was wearing it with. Overall, super cool vintage tee, and I went ahead and picked it up. Hopefully it does fit me very nicely. So again, shout out to Vintage by Ritz. Nice packaging, and as you guys can see, it's the whole FUT. Looks fire. Little, you know, the graphics a little crackly and everything like that. Throw this on under a nice little flannel, oversized fit for the summertime. Really good pickup. I believe I paid like 50 bucks for this. I'm not too sure, but overall, pretty cool tee. All right, you guys, so the graphic is pretty clean, but unfortunately, it's a lot bigger than I expected. But hey, maybe I can just like wear it around in the summertime. Super oversized fit. Message doesn't apply to you guys though, because I love you guys. I just thought the graphic was cool. I just pulled up to Vesta Coffee, probably one of my favorite coffee shops in Vegas. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna put it as top one, but overall it is a good time in there. I'm gonna go ahead, get some work done, maybe shoot some content on this street right now. We'll see what happens, but I'll take you along with me. I'm stuck in a little traffic on the back roads, but we picked up the hats and I'm very, very excited for this right now. I would toss it on, but your boy has to go to work right now and I don't want to mess up my hair. Overall, this one is 1 of 20, and this is super fire in my opinion. I love the pop of red when it comes down to the teal. Let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comment box. And then we also just have the neutral color black on white with the teal. I wanted to do something with the colors with trucker hats, kind of step out of our comfort zones, and overall I feel like they came out very, very clean. And if you guys are interested, go ahead and show love to the Print Lab Las Vegas. If you guys are trying to get some stuff done, make sure to let them know that I sent you. And just shout out to the team over there for making this one happen. They literally turned this around within a week, and this just came out very, very clean. So super excited about it. And then also, if you guys didn't know, Vegas is opening up this like little, I don't know what this is, like a dome or an arena, but every time I drive past it, it just reminds me of Drake and Josh when, you know, he's like, it's spherical.
What's a game sphere?
Only the most sophisticated gaming experience ever created by humans, and it's spherical. Spherical.
Shout out Drake and Josh, man. But yeah, we're gonna head to work, and maybe I'll show you guys what we have in the store. I feel like there's some good shoes right now that I'll probably share with you. So catch you guys at the win. Look how crazy these clouds look. If you just pop my head right here, it could look like a little Drake album cover. Kind of here a little later than expected, but just got off work and I wanted to show you guys, sorry the lights are off. I wanted to show you guys what we have in store that I'm currently messing with. And the shoe that I'm messing with the most is going to be the ASIC Gel NYC in this oyster colorway to be specific, but super clean. I might end up picking these up in the near future. Kind of just on my ASICs wave this summer. So bam, there you guys have it. And then there's this colorway, which is kind of all right. Overall, very, very clean. Couple New Balances, couple Solomons. You know, regular old run-of-the-mill stuff. We just recently got these in. These 2002 Rs are pretty cool too. It comes with a little bag. But yeah, stop in, say what's up to your boy. But I'm gonna head home now. It's been a long day, so. All right, she already has this candle right here, but it is my sister's birthday. So here is a fragrance and a candle. And shout out to today's sponsor.
I love these. Locked up. What is this?
It's just.
Ooh, that's so funny. I was literally telling Shai, like, I need some more body spray.
Switching it up with the camera angles around the house, I did want to say thank you to today's sponsor of this video, which is going to be Dossier. I'm sure you guys are well familiar with them and the brand. Shout out to them for sponsoring another vlog on this channel. If you guys are interested in looking at high quality fragrances or even diffusers or candles, make sure to go ahead and check out Dossier. They do have a discount code that you guys can use through the channel, which is going to be BrandFlakesTV10. Make sure to go ahead and take advantage of that. They do offer high quality fragrances for a fraction of the price. I'm always using their fragrances. I have 3 right now right next to me that I always toss on. These are my 3 go-tos. This is going to be the aromatic star anise, and then also the aromatic ginger, and then last but not least, I'm always using the woody basil as well. Definitely some great fragrances that you guys should go ahead and check out. Go ahead and use the discount code and also link down below if you guys do see anything on their website that you guys would like to look into. My sister definitely loves the candle, and also she said she really liked the fragrance that I gifted to her. Let's go ahead, hop back into the vlog. Shout out to Dossier. Big salute. Feature fitting room right now. I apologize if there's an echo, but we recently got 2 items that I want to go ahead and try on. We got these new Needles track pants in the nice like emerald green colorway. We recently just got the 8060 V2. Nice little cheaper alternative to the ALD New Balance. But overall, super, super clean. And then we're going to go ahead and try both of these on, and I'll let you guys know if they're a cop or not. Yeah, these are low-key a pass. I wasn't gonna cop them because they're kind of expensive, but I don't know. Maybe with a white t-shirt they would look fire. You guys let me know. I feel like the green looks a little too crazy. Yeah, pass. All right, you guys, New Balance 8060 V2 on feet. Let me know what you guys think. I feel like they look really, really fire. Low-key might cop these. I'll be linking these down below in the description box if you guys are interested, and I'll link them on my Instagram story as well. But low-key, these are pretty gas. I might cop these. Thumbs up. Hey guys, your boy has to go back to work now, but if you guys want more little clips like this, just showing you guys new product in the shop, let me know. And then if you guys do want to go ahead and visit me, this is Feature at the Wynn, Las Vegas. But yeah, I'm gonna say these New Balances right here are a cop, even though I shouldn't be copying any new shoes, but we might go ahead and do it, so. Yeah, I have to go back now, bye. All right, so you have 2 sneakers here. One of them I'm gonna try and sell on the FlvkesCloset. So if anyone's interested in this pair, make sure to go ahead and check out FlvkesCloset. So the homie Kieran at work always wears this specific pair of shoes, and that's the reason why I bought them, because I feel like on feet they look super, super clean. This is actually my 2nd time owning this specific colorway, 3rd time owning this model. But I went ahead and picked it up on a nice little sale from Sneakers and Stuff. I believe the sale ended, so unfortunately I won't be able to really show that. Yeah, like I said, these will be available on FlvkesCloset if you guys are interested in them. Let me move this real quick. Here you guys have it, size 9.5 in the New Balance 1906R. The reason why I'm gonna be getting rid of these is because I recently just purchased the 860 V2, which I personally find myself wearing a little more. But yeah, these are very, very clean. I just feel like I've been purchasing way too many sneakers as of lately, so I will be tossing these on FlvkesCloset once again for the second time for under retail. So if you guys are interested in these will be under retail on my website. Super clean in my opinion, but yeah, I just purchased the other pair of shoes, so you gotta pick and choose our battles, you know what I mean? Next shoe, you guys did see me post these on Instagram, and also I showed them in the vlog, I believe. These are the ASIC Gel NYCs. I did get the nice little oyster colorway, true to size with their size 9.5. I loved how these looked on feet, so I went ahead and copped them. Super clean in my opinion. I feel like ASICs are kind of like my perfect shoe for the summer, just because they're so cozy and comfy with the nice little gel that they have. Overall, really love these a lot. They look super clean on feet, and I will be rocking these a lot in the summertime. I'll probably, you know, throw on some suede protector on here just because there's little hits of suede on it. Overall, really love the toe box. Love how these look. Let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comment box. These retailed for like $130 after taxes. So yeah, not a bad pickup in my personal opinion. I do need to slow down with the sneaker pickups, and that's why we'll be getting rid of the 1906. I wanted to add the condo. The air conditioning is back on. You'll love to see it. It only took 2 days to fix, so shout out to the landlord, man. I thought it was gonna take a week, but I just love to be home, nice and happy home. And then I also have to pick up Rocket later, so me and Rocket are back in our own homes. Shout out to my sister for the hospitality. And yeah, I'm editing this vlog. Don't know where it's gonna go, but hopefully you guys are enjoying it. If you guys are enjoying it so far, smash the like button, subscribe if you're new here, and we'll see where the day takes us. Oh, by the way, this hat I wore today, super in love with it, and I love how they came out. I was a little skeptical on the nice colorway, but after wearing it today, I just really loved like the pop of color and the simplicity of the front logo. Overall, I don't know when I'm gonna release these, but very clean trucker hat in my personal opinion. I'm super proud of it, so I'm gonna share it with you guys. Alright, so sorry if the lighting is a little off, but I wanted to add, this is my nice little selling closet area, but I did go ahead and clean out some sneakers. So if you guys are interested in some sneakers that I will be getting rid of, these are the Sakai Blazers. I believe I have these up for like 60 bucks, which isn't that bad. And then I also have these neutral gray lows. I'm not too sure how much I'll list these for, but probably be like 80-90 bucks, which I feel like is a good steal as well. Looking for a great summertime shoe. And then I have these New Balances, the 550s in all white and like a gray bottom. I'll probably put these up for like 30 bucks to be honest with you. And then these Nike Spiridons, getting rid of these just because I don't wear them enough, but I did clean these up, and I'll probably put these up for like 50 bucks in my opinion. Super clean stuff. I also have this nice little Seattle Bloomings hat available. Yeah, overall, check out FlvkesCloset, and shout out to you guys for shopping. Guys, I just got done editing the vlog, and I feel like it was a good time to go ahead and wrap it up. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the vlog. I just wanted to say I appreciate everyone who just takes the time to watch the videos, or even just hang out with me for like 12-13 minutes. I feel like vlogging is kind of just essentially taking you guys on the journey of my day. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the vlog. Smash the like button if you did. Subscribe if you guys are new here. Comment down below, because your boy does respond to every single comment. So if you guys have a question or just want to say what's up, I will be responding to you guys. TikTok, Instagram, down below as well. FlvkesCloset drop already happened while this video is posted. So yeah, catch you guys in the next video. You guys have a good one. Peace.